Welcome to MyProjectBazaar.com. Now we discuss about the product segmentation of tumor and edema along with healthy tissues of brain using wavelet and the neural networks. Now we discuss the abstract for the process. Image segmentation is the process of patterning a digital image into a multiple segments. The goal of segmentation is to simplify change the representation of an image into something that is more meaningful and easier to analyze. Age is one of the primary features for image. It helps us to analyze, interpret and take the decision in various image segmentation applications. This system proposes a supervised variational level segmentation model in this project. This process input feature vector is constructed with the feature obtained from the stationary wavelet transform, that is the SWT coefficients. Results show that the average disk similarity indexes are 91%. Now we discuss the flow diagram for the process. At first, the input image is taken from the dataset. The dataset is the folder consists of the several images which is undergone for the process. After getting the input from the dataset, the pre-processing is carried out. The pre-processing is nothing but the noise filtering. Noise filtering is the process of removing the noise from the image. After the noise filtering, the threshold value is calculated from the noise-free image. By using the threshold value, the binarization is carried out. In the binarization, the image consists of only the two values. One thing is the 0 and the second one is the 1s. The 0 area represents the black area of the image and the 1s area represents the white region of the image. After the initial binarization, the normalization is carried out. In the normalization, the image is normalized and the initial mask is also created. In the initial mask region, the brain region only the mask and the background will be the eliminated. Then the segmenting the tumor region by using the corresponding threshold value. After segmenting the threshold value, the analysis is carried out. In the analysis, we have considered the two things. First one is the graphs and the accuracy. The accuracy value will be plotted in the value or in the bar chart. Then the graph for the existing and the proposed also the shown. Now we discuss the initial running procedure for the process. In the left side, you can see the several files in the current folder. In that, select the main.em file and right click in that file. Then you can see the third option. Then select the third option, run. Now the GUI window was opened. In that you can see the several push buttons in the left side and the display region in the right side. In the top of the menu bar, input image 1, select the input image 1 and then select the input image 2 and then select the input image 3. Then click the button view image. Now the selected 3 images shown in the axis 1, axis 2 and axis 3 with the title input 1, input 2, input 3. Then click the button pre-processing. Now the filtered image is shown in the axis 4, 5 and 6 with the title filtered image 1, filtered image 2 and the filtered image 3. Now click the normalization, registration, then click the button strip. Now the stripping is done. Now the Gaussian filter is applied for the 3 image. Then the threshold for the 3 image is also taken. The corresponding threshold value is shown in the edit box. Then assign the pixel value for the threshold level. Then apply the also method. Then binary by the also method. Now the skull is stripped. Then the dilation is carried out for the 3 image. Dilated image is shown in the axis 2. Then trace the region. Now the region only the trace, then recognize the region. Now the recognized region for the image 1, 2 and 3 is shown. Now assign the pixel value as the zeros and ones. Now the white area represent the ones and the black area represent the zeros. Then click the region mask. Then click the anisotropic. Then the anisotropic for the image is shown and the corresponding histogram levels are also shown. Then SW features is shown in the axis 4, 5, 6. Then SOM labeling is also done.